My name is Solo P1 and this is a quick unboxing. This is the Logitech MX Master 3 wireless mouse. It comes, I brought this accessory box which I've already opened already, as you can see. This costs $17.99 on Amazon. I know it's expensive, but it is a good product and it will keep your mouse, your very expensive mouse, safe.
Yes.
So we're gonna quick unbox this. I've already took the seal off already, so you don't need to see me with the knife. I just took off already. MX3 Master. I'm gonna move this box to the side. Yeah, this is the box MX. Take this off like so. This is the mouse. I opted for the grey one, the light grey, because the other one was sold out, the dark grey. But if it's a good mouse, I might get the dark grey one down the line, depends. So, as you can see, we've got this beautiful mouse here. Lovely scrolling wheel. You've got the buttons on the scrolling wheel on the side. I think the old one was, the wheel was down here. I think this time they've put it up there. You've got your buttons here. At the back, you've got, which I'm going to take off now, the sticker. As you can see there, 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Bluetooth, so Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3. This could work on PC and Mac and your iPads, all your devices, and your phone as well, if you want to use it on your phone. And it's got a USB for your charging here. Scrolling wheel, nice and lovely. It's got the rubber grip here, nice, perfect for editing. I wouldn't say this is a gaming mouse. You can use it for gaming.
Nope.
For a hardcore gamer, I'd recommend going for something else. But if you're really into your editing, like Photoshop and Dolby Premiere, I'll go for something like this. So, lovely mouse there. So, as I said before, it's Bluetooth, but if you want to use the old dongle, you can use the dongle as well. Now, let's take the accessory box out. I'm going to move this box to the side, so we've got no need for that there. This is the accessory box. It comes with the instruction manual. Yeah, whilst that with an instruction manual, it's just basically MX keys advertising. This is a USB-C charger, so they say on the Logitech website that if you charge it for 5 minutes, it can last for 3-hour charging, so that's good as well. USB charger, Logitech one there. Logitech branded, and inside you've got the instruction book showing you how to pair it and stuff like that to your computer. And yeah, and when you get this, you plug it to your computer, you have to download the app and then you can map out all your buttons and that, like so. So yeah, this is the mouse. Really happy with it. I'll give it a little test. But yeah, the accessory box, I'll open that now and show you where it goes in. So you've got a key ring thing there for the hook, put it on the side. Trousers, whatever. Trousers, whatever. But anyway, it goes in there like so. Shuts nice and easy. Keeps your mouse nice and safe because your mouse is £100, costs £100 off Amazon, and this costs $17.99. Nice little material. I like this material, very nice. I'm glad I went for this light grey with the light grey case. Yeah, so that's it. This is Solo P1 signing out of the Logitech MX Master 3 and its accessory box. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment. See you later, guys. Bye.